Hi there. Have you ever wanted to be able to make some fun seasonal maps, to be able to share the power of location intelligence, or just share your love of mapping with other people? Well, that's what we're going to be doing in this video today, using some powerful free data and using the ArcGIS Online platform to do so. Hi, I'm Juliana McMillan-Wilhoit. I run a company called Tabulate Spatial Services, and my goal is to help members of the geospatial community map their futures. I provide GIS analysis, GIS training, and GIS career coaching. And I'm really thankful that you have come along today to see and to learn. So let me now start sharing my screen, and we will get started. So I'm on a Mac, but you can obviously do this on whatever platform, whatever type of computer you have. So this process is going to have sort of three parts. So that the first thing is that we're going to design a base map that is going to be custom for St. Patrick's Day. The second thing that we're going to do is add in data from the SafeGraph places. And then the third part is that we are going to share it with other people. So the first thing is we're going to go to the ArcGIS Base Map Stylizer. I just Google it, ArcGIS Base Map Stylizer, and this is what comes up. So we are actually going to just go here to create a custom base map style and click on the vector tile style editor. I have an ArcGIS Online account, and so again, that's something that you do need to be able to do this. So we're going to just be really easy here. And so what I want you to do is to go over to base, and I want you to select the light gray canvas base. So select style. And then I love this website called Coolers, which is a website of people who have where you can develop your own color palette that all sort of works together. So I'm just going to search for St. Patrick. Let's see what comes up. That isn't working. We're just going to search for things with green in them. And I really like this palette. So I'm going to just select view palette. So we have a bunch of different colors that are here, and they all work together. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this first hex code. Now, if I go back over here to my stylizer, you'll see that we actually have the ability to update the hex codes or the color codes for all of these different features. So I'm just going to go for land, and I am going to paste that hex code that we have. And now for the water, I think that making it maybe this color of yellow would be really cool. So I'm just going to update to that. Or maybe I want to make it an orange because that's also St. Patrick's Day-y. So I'm actually just going to pick that orange. No, I don't like that. I want everything to go along a little bit better. So I'm just, this is an iterative process. And so my roads, I'm going to click and copy that. My boundaries, and you actually, depending on the scale of your map, you don't actually necessarily need to fill all these out, or you could make these all, the same, but this is, just some options for you to be able to customize a base map for yourself. And then for my nature areas, I will just pick, click and copy this one. Wow, so we have this this really nice green base map that you can then use. And so you can see down here at the bottom, here's sort of what it looks like zoomed in. Obviously, you can spend more time tweaking this. There's a bunch of different options here, but this is a really great place for you to start. So I'm just going to click Save As, and I'm just calling this St. Patty's Base Map, Juliana, and I'm going to share it with everyone in case you want to find it. So we have done that. So we've now made our base map. So the next thing that we want to do is actually we're going to get data for our map. So I personally love this data source from SafeGraph, and they have a data set that's points of interest in the United States that is free for you to use. Now you access it a little bit differently than you access some other data sources. And so it is, you have to go to marketplace.arcgis.com, which pulls up the ArcGIS marketplace. And there's some data that you have to pay for there, but this is a free data set. And so you search for SafeGraph there and you find this. And so then what you want to do is you want to select view item. And it's going to take a second for it to load here. And you can see here, I have this option to open in Map Viewer. You can see that I am logged in as myself. So I'm now opening this up in the Map Viewer. And so this is going to take a little bit to load. So I'm actually just going to turn this off for a second. And I'm going to go add, and I am going to actually add in that base map that we made. And so, right, we just made that St. Patty's base map, Juliana. So I'm going to add that in here. And so now we have that really cool base map that we have created. And right, so that is there. And so now what is so great about this point of entrance data is we can then begin to filter it and show whatever we're interested in. Nope, I do not want to show the item details. I want to filter this. There we go, selecting the filter. And so I want to take, if the POI name contains Lucky, L-U-C-K-Y. Right, so then this map is going to filter and it's going to show us any places in the United States, I believe this data set is just in the United States that have the word or have the letters L-U-C-K-Y in their name. So I'm going to apply this filter, and you'll notice it's not showing up yet, which is because I haven't turned it on. And then the other thing that I want to do is I just want to change the way that our symbology. So I am going to change the symbol. I can upload a picture of a shamrock, which may end up being what I'm going to do. But just for right now, I'm just going to pick a green. Oh, no, because orange is also a color for St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to make everything a green or a orange diamond. I'm going to click OK. I'm also going to save this. So this is and I have to provide a tag, of course. I'm going to click Save Map. Done, and we're going to let this load. Now, it may take a little bit for it to load. But here we go. It actually did not take super long for this to load. So now what you have is you have a map of all the places in the United States that are lucky. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, that you have learned something from this, and that I can't wait to see what you do. I am at Juliana Mapper across all social media, and I would love to see what sort of map you create for different holidays. Thanks so much for watching and engaging. I'm Juliana, and I want to help you map your future as a GIS professional.